Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable HDMI CEC. Go to settings, set settings icon from top, go down, select display and sound settings, go down, set HDMI CEC, one key power off. By default this would be disabled. Let me enable, press OK button on the remote, done. So now I have enabled HDMI CEC. So when we enable HDMI CEC using one remote control, we have to control both set-top box and TV. For example, using the remote control of the set-top box, after enabling this HDMI CEC, we would be able to turn off both TV and set-top box. So that is a feature. So we would be able to control all devices connected via HDMI cable using one remote control. So if you want that feature, you can enable this option, HDMI CEC. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.